everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Today, I'm going to be unboxing a fidget spinner.
Go back.
Oh, yeah. It's recording. Well, today we have a red fidget spinner. Yes! Oh, yes! Well, basically, this thing is... Whoa, look! Well, basically failed. So this is what this is supposed to do. Okay. So, with this, and it's super hardly. Hold on. So, you make it balance on your hand, spin it super hardly. And like that. Alright. See you tomorrow, guys. See you in the next video. Bye!